Hello guys, welcome to Clinexa. Today we'll learn a very small topic from cardiac monitor. The topic is PPV, pulse pressure variation. PPV is very important in ICU, especially in liver transplant ICU. So let's start how to enable PPV in cardiac monitor. Go to the right bottom corner in cardiac monitor, then you'll find a main setup menu. Click on the main setup, then go little bit down, again down, and find operating mode. Click on that, then click on the configure. Then monitor will asking a pin. For this monitor, the pin is 71034. The pin may be different for your hospital, so ask to your biomedical department for the pin. Then click on the BP, then go down little bit, then go down, find PPV. Here we have to find PPV. PPV, here is the PPV. Click on the PPV for enable. Here will show disable PPV, then click on the disable, and below the monitor there will show please confirm, then click on the confirm button. Again we have to go on the BP, then find the PPV, click on the ABP to change to art, then click on the off to change to on, then the PPV will be enable, and here you will show PPV. For this patient the PPV is showing 8. Thanks for watching Clinexa. Thank you.